In this video, we will demonstrate how to archive an application from HCL Domino to an HTML active archive using the BCC Mail Migration Engine. Here we have a team room application that's used for documentation. It's full of different documents where we have categories and topics. Some have doc links and some have attachments. Before we archive this application, let's check the migration jobs configuration. In this example, we're going to archive to HTML, but it's also possible to archive to PDF. We specify the application database of the application that we wish to archive. It is also possible to include or exclude documents based on a formula, to include or exclude folders, just archive documents from a selected date range, and to exclude attachments. In the Export tab, we specify the directory that we will be outputting the files to. Now we'll run the archive job. The task sends a report back for each 10% increment that has been completed. In this example, our archive took just under a minute to complete. Switching to the web browser, we can see the archived application in HTML format. All of our topics and categories are available with the relevant documents and attachments preserved. There we go, archive of an HCL Domino application to an HTML active web archive. If you'd like to know more, please check out our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.